Okay, so y'all, we wanted to save us now, but look at this snow. It's thick. As I'm walking up this sidewalk, I'm remembering the time SD card initialized, of course. Y'all can have some. More noggin as an eggnog. We got about ham, I can ham. Y'all have some. $99. You better light up. Who is cold? Y'all see that snow? Let's just imagine that y'all see the snow. If you can't. Dressing over here. Roast. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more quality content. Thanks for watching Debo with the Vlogs. Let's get to the video. What is up, y'all? It's the next day of the trip, and got my iced coffee. You already know, Dunkin' Donuts. You already know. And this was free on December the 29th only. You get a free medium, small, large iced coffee at Dunkin' Donuts, any flavor. I got the butter pecan one with cold butter foam added on top, and it was all free. I had to tell him, I said, add some more sugar to it, and add some more cream to it in the stove. I tasted it, I said, the color itself was giving me off vibes. So I said, go ahead and do all that while I'm up in here so I get to the house. I won't be disappointed. But yeah, did y'all score this deal, this free iced coffee deal or hot coffee deal from Dunkin' Donuts on December 29th? Let me know in the comment section. And also let me know what flavor did you get and what is the best flavor to get at Dunkin' Donuts right now. Let me know. Yeah, I made some cinnamon rolls. They fresh out the oven. Chevron, did you get you one? Y'all come have some. Josh, get you one. Yeah, Josh over here, he finna make some dressing, some cornbread. Sean, he over here. Did you get one, Trey?
Hello.
Ain't you one yet?
Yeah,
Got Raheem fine over here, guys.
we gonna have no time to see him.
Mama. Got Brown over here.
You bought up like I did down in the room.
Bye. You got that Grinch attire on there. You got that full Grinch. He's Grinch mode. He said he's not gonna do Grinch next year. So what are your plans for next year's Christmas? What is your theme you have in mind?
I have no idea. We don't know. We gotta throw something away from this year and throw it next year.
Throw it away.
Okay, yeah, we will see. That will be something that we will have to see. Something we'll have to see. My mom, she's finally in here. We have to wake up 6 times to get up in here, but she's in here now.
I bet I ain't. Don't just stuff Trayvon gave me and went through me.
She had a stupid sweater on, you guys. I didn't know it was Snoopy until I looked closer into the detail.
My Trayvon bought this for me.
She had her fall Snoopy sweater on.
I'm in handy for these winter months.
Call back. I forgot to call you back this time of the day, but I've been working. While on vacation at the same time, but yes, we done cooked a big meal. For breakfast, we had cinnamon rolls. I don't think I got footage of that. I probably got a picture I'll insert if I did already. But yes, we got food, we got dressing, ham, a whole rotisserie chicken, macaroni, smoked Gouda, macaroni and cheese. What else do we have? What is smoked Gouda, macaroni and cheese, rolls, green beans, candy yams, all that. You finna see the plethora of food or the variety of different foods. Let me show you. Follow me. We got Trey over here and his vacation attire on. Got Josh over here with the Showtime merch on. Mom over here with a Snoopy attire on. I don't know if I picked the camera up today, you guys, yet or not, but I think I did earlier. I'm not sure. I think it was my phone I picked up, not my camera. Yeah. Y'all, let me just show you what we got. We have candy yams over here, green beans on the back eye, macaroni and cheese right here, Gouda. We got ham, I tell you, some ham. Y'all have some, We got chicken cut up. I try to cut up to my best ability. We got dressing over here, rolls right here. We got a cake, a caramel churro cake. Y'all have some. Debo done fixed his plate. We got Showtime over here fixing his plate. He just got done doing a promo video. First, y'all need to follow him at OVW. That's in Kentucky. You guys want to say to the camera, Josh?
How y'all doing?
I know it's not.
You know?
Showtime?
You know?
Yeah,
When we can. All we can.
Who's my favorite? Who's my favorite group?
I haven't done another drink. I haven't done another drink.
We'll have the Chris. Don't play my mind.
Come on. Yeah. What a spoon there, Josh? Shake your head.
Later.
Okay, guys, it is. I don't know what day is the trip. Is this day 4, day 3? And we're going to go into this Goodwill, the one I used to go to when we used to live up here, and see what they got. Don't slip and get out the car. And side note, you guys, use Apple CarPlay GPS. Don't use the one that come in the car because they have you going everywhere but the simple route. They have you going on residential streets, slipping and sliding in the snow. Look at this. It's snowing. I got my snow boots on. You got your snow boots on? Yeah. Got Josh over here. We got Showtime.
Did you not see that?
Ooh, it's cold. Y'all see that snow? Let's just imagine that y'all see the snow. If you can't. Ooh, it's coming down. Let's go see what they got. Oh, the door right here. They still got these. Trey, you gonna get you a tattoo like old times? You gonna get you a tattoo like old times? It still smells the same. Y'all can get you a crock pot, $12.99. All these coffee pots. What is this? Air fryer? This small? A mini air fryer. A fondue set, $9.99. Bread makers, toast ovens, Keurig machines, the older ones, mugs, more air fryers. I got the Ninja machine. Which one is this? They ain't got the what's it called? The containers, the water tanks. This is a white barn candle holder for $3.99. Like the Bath and Body Works old one. Should I get it? Will it feel a 3-wick candle? I'm not sure. I'm ask my siblings. A stocking stuffer. I mean a stocking hanger for your chimney. $2.99. What color is half off though? That's all I wanna know. Yeah, I got the skill where I can just look through the shirts without touching them and pick out what I think is gonna be good. It depends on what the fabric looks like. Do y'all do that too? Like y'all look at the fabrics and be like, oh yeah, that might be a good shirt or not. Let me know. Like this one right here. This is a Jordan shirt. And I just touched it. It says Air Jordan has landed. That's a medium size. Showtime, you can't wear this? You can't wear this?
Ain't a bad shirt.
Yeah. Y'all, is this Adidas? It's an Adidas shirt right here. I'm not even showing it. Would y'all wear this? Let me know. This a medium. I wouldn't wear it because it's like a girl shirt.
That ain't a bad shirt though.
Yeah, you get it for your promo videos.
Boy.
How much is it?
$6.99.
What color's half off?
What color's half off?
They're not doing that no more.
What? Then why do they got colors on here? You guys, I also skimmed them fast. Y'all not do that quick stuff? Just scan with your eyes. Y'all do that? Let me know when y'all come to these stores. Just scan like that. I can tell by fabric and like my eyesight. So you see me stop. I mean, I'm looking for something that could be a potential buyer. We gonna see. We gonna see. If I go like this and this, I mean I'm looking at it. Y'all see something, let me know. If y'all see something, let me know. What size is I'm even in? This is mediums. I see a couple like that too, because I know they ain't nothing I'm gonna look at and come back. I don't need any more clothes, but I want to have at least one shirt. That's how I came out here with something. I found some, you guys. It's $9.99.
I just picked that up. Too long.
A medium.
Hey,
I can need some of this in the gym. I gotta see what the price, what colors have off. I didn't see there's nothing. Look at this. I think my mom already has this shirt. Since I can't even, Snoopy. Okay, we're gonna try this shirt. This one I'm gonna try it on. I hope it fit. Let's see. What y'all think? Let me see. I kind of like it. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. See, I already found something. It's my come here to find something. That's how it is. I always find something. Other people, they can't find nothing. They be just walking around staring in blank space. But I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go around every aisle and look, especially when I'm hunting for something. Ooh, I just pulled something in my locks. Okay, so y'all, we're going to Savers now. But look at this snow. It's thick. As I'm walking up this sidewalk, I'm remembering the time it was snowing so bad, like a blizzard. We just all walked behind Mom. Mom, if you're watching this, you should remember. We were walking right here. Because we could not even see what was in front of us. That's how much snow was on the ground, you guys. That's how much snow that was on the ground. Okay, we're going into Savers. Let's see what they got. Okay, Joe, I'm going to chauffeur us around. You guys let us know. Did I leave my phone in the car? And watch that heat of my phone, too. I'm going to look at the Christmas stuff. I don't really need clothes, but I'm going to look at that next. Look at this. This is unique, you guys. This is very unique. This is a wax melt. But it's shaped as a tea kettle. Oh, look at that. How much they want for it? $3.49. Trey, would you get this jump for your aesthetics?
No.
It's a tea kettle cup. Look at that. That wanted to be changed. The what? This is a lot of Christmas. Ooh, that is nice. Half the box missing. It probably lights up too. It should. As big as this is, I know it got style. It matters material. I just broke some. I showed it. But look, it tells a story. Look at the detail. And they want $7.49 for it. Yeah, a lot of Christmas stuff. Won't really participate in Christmas in July. These trees are at Dollar Tree for $1. These are the old ones. How much they want? I guess Dollar Tree donate these stuff up in here. They won't. How much for the tree? $1.49. $1.49. Who keeps letting one go? That's you, Train. This is. Y'all look at this ugly sweater. It says less talking, more noggin as an eggnog. We drop about this. It is $6.99. Look at this one. It has a pouch to hold your drink. And it is $12.99. It better light up too for that price, which it don't. Home sweet home. That's doing too much. Look at that. I thought this came from Temu Wish Machine or one. Let's keep on looking. Okay, you guys, the savers lost their mind. They forgot that they were selling used clothing. I'm saying stuff $18.99, $19.99 for something that has a hole in it. A sweater, shirts, $8.99, $10.99, $12. This is used merchandise. It ain't new. It's used. I see about Goodwill. It's always superior. It has more stores, and you hear more about Goodwill than you ever hear about Savers, because Savers had went up in their prices, and they ain't got nothing on the shelves or make it make sense. You can't. Okay, you guys, we're going into Dollar Tree in Tinley Park. I haven't been this one in years. When I say years, I mean years. It looks totally different now. This is what it looks like. What's it? I was see they got self checkout in here. Look at these. These 150. These solar lights, you guys, stake lights. 150. And they blew a flame. That's neat. So it would be nice here in front of our house. I can't even hide this one used to look. I know they front didn't look like that. They got some clean care. I don't know if they're supposed to be over here or not. Body wash, gentle formula scent. That's new. Let's see what else we can find, you guys. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like it. They actually had the hand sometimes on the shelves and not at the register. Somebody just grab all of them. Ain't nothing but cases. Ain't nothing but cases. You guys, this smells good. This Bermuda Blue Citrus. I would drink some green tea. What is this? They got some Regal Flush Toilet Spray, lemon bergamot, lemongrass, and citron bourbon. I'm gonna get one to see if it do what it do. I'm gonna get two. Me for mom. But this Bermuda spray smells good. I'm spray it again. Oops, I'm spray it again. That smells good. Come on. Oh yeah, y'all, that one didn't have that much. Big and remodeled, but didn't have much. Well, I'm gonna get back in the car and go back to the house and see my niece. I hope I don't slip. Shoot. Oh yeah, it looks totally different. They remodeled this Dollar Tree, you guys. Brandon's been sitting in the car waiting on us.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring.
There, that's St. Paul Thrift Store. Used to go there a lot too. I don't know if you can see it or not. Used to go there a lot too. But I don't know what their prices are now or not. It's probably higher because Savers was 3 times as high as it usually be. And they had nothing on the shelf for it to be that high. But it is what it is. And it ain't what it ain't.
What? It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
She sleep, y'all.
Hey. She said, what did you say? She said, that's it, Showtime?
And the red, she got
Oh, yeah, she like the red. She said, that's Showtime. Welcome to the TV home.
She look at you, Trey, that mask you got on your face.
She said, welcome to my vlog. She said, today I want to see you. She said, it's
You
Showtime.
had 2 phones right there now. What I supposed to do? You see 2 telephones, 2 cell phones.
That's all right.
I can't make it.
That's a long video.
See, I know. See, you need chichi booty. I know.
Girl. Okay, y'all, I made cookies. The Grinch one and the elf themed one. I see why they give you 20 because they're so good. I had one, and I want to eat like 6 more. But yeah, y'all see them. Y'all have some?
Joy to the world.
It's Debo with the vlogs, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And click that notification bell to be what? Notified whenever I post. Thanks for watching.